Hi folks, it's Jeff from J. Allen Pipes. I'm here today to talk to you about another J. Allen design tool that I have available for you. This is a French sanding disc, a French wheel as we call them. It is a sanding disc that is made out of an acrylic material, and it is compatible with the Beal wood arbor system, so it screws right onto the Beal wood arbor system that you have for buffing your pipes. This French wheel is padded with wool padding that will not melt or burn, and so it creates a softer back for you to use when you're trying to get those nice smooth facetless pipes. And it attaches with a pretty simple system. Is just a nut and a washer. So in order to use this, really all you need is the J. Allen design French wheel, some 3M general purpose spray adhesive, and some sandpaper cut out to look like this, which we will also have available for purchase. And let me show you how to put the discs on the sandpaper onto these discs. Now that we've applied the paper to our discs, all you need to do is attach it to your motor. I use the Beal wood arbor system, and I have another arbor here that is the same size. It's a 3/8 inch standard threading, and all you need to do is spin it on. And it spins right up to speed. I keep 3 or 4 different discs on hand, all with different grits, and that lets me leave some stationary so I don't need to change them out when I'm switching between discs. It saves me some time if I need to go back a little bit in a disc grit. And that's about it for the sanding discs. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, please be sure to ask those questions in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and tune in next time.